Updating your billing information on Vertex AI is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account is up to date. Step 1. Sign in. Log into your Vertex AI account using your credentials. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to access billing settings. Step 2. Navigate to Billing section. Once logged in, locate the navigation menu. Click on the billing option to access your billing information and settings. Step 3. Update payment method. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROG to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Review billing address. Check the billing address associated with your account. Make any necessary changes to ensure it reflects your current address. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your payment method and billing address, make sure to save the changes. Look for a Save or Update button and click it to confirm your updates. By following these steps, you can easily keep your billing information current on Vertex AI. Regularly check your account to ensure all details are accurate.